Today I'm sick, like since yesterday, and I have to eat something so I can take medicines. But I don't want anything complicated, so let's make a tuna porridge. Okay? Wow. This is the last tuna can I have. Whoa. I'm so glad I have this one. I have to open it up. I think I need some vegetables as well, but I don't want to cut anything. Actually, I don't have any fresh vegetables, so I'm gonna use frozen veggie mix, cooking oil, wow. So yesterday I got up and I felt a little weird, like that feeling, oh, I'm getting sick, you know? Just because I slept with the fan on, and the fan doesn't have timer, so it was on all night. And when I get up, I felt like my nose dried and like body ache. But anyways, I slept again and I had to get up to go work. So I went to work yesterday. I think I worked only 3 hours, and then I was like, oh, I don't think I can, get through whole shift. So I left work early, and then I bought some medicines, Korean medicines. Let me show you what medicines. This is pills for runny nose, coughing, and like ohan, like feeling cold. And then this is like kind of powder thing. It also for headache, fever, body ache. Yeah. The pharmacist said, oh, I think you're sick pretty often. So I said, I think it's like every 3 months thing. Fried veggies. Fried veggies. Very easy. Oh, I'm actually so thirsty. And then, excuse me. And then I wanted to eat something like Korean food, comforting food, which is any kind of 국밥. 국밥 means rice with soup. There are so many 국밥s in Korean cuisine. I went to a Korean restaurant near me before before we went back home. I really didn't want to cook or anything. I just wanted to have good meal and take medicine and rest. I usually don't finish all the broth, but yesterday, wow. I finished like all the banchans, rice, soup, everything on the table. I don't know, like maybe my body needed the nutrition, or so I ate more than usual. Stir fry. We have to open it up, the tuna. Drain the water. 너 힘들어. Stir fry it. We're gonna add the tuna, and then rice, and then water. I would say like 500 to 600 milliliter water. We can do just high heat because I'm hungry. I wanna eat real quick. Just 1 spoon of fish sauce. Okay. Oh, 냄새. Now we just have to wait until it looks like porridge. Very easy, right? So, where were we? Yeah, I had a lot of food. I came back home. Oh, before I come back home, I was so craving ice cream, especially strawberry ice cream. On the way back, I dropped by Target for ice cream, and then I come back home. I lie down, just relax. I wanted to eat some ice cream, but I still full, so I was just watching my phone, and then suddenly craving for some snacks. I had some Doritos and then some ice cream. Then I washed my face, brushed teeth, ready to go to bed. Yeah, and then I think I slept at like 10 p.m. Yeah, I woke up a few times for bathroom, but I slept until 10 a.m., like literally 12 hours. But I feel still I'm not recovered yet. So I'm gonna have this porridge and then take medicine and going to take a little more nap before go to work. I have to go to work. So yeah, anyways, yeah, this was what happened yesterday. Oh, I hate this feeling like sick. I really get sick like almost every 3-4 months. Why? Anyway, okay, I will see you in 10 minutes. I have to wait for this. Oh, it's ready. Turn off the fire. A bowl. This is how it looks like. Try it first, and if it's bland, then add a little salt to taste. And also you can like furikake if you want. Yeah, like that. It takes like 10 minutes. Yeah, I need some salt.